if any of those numbers are above that curve, you're not sublimating the food correctly or the water out of the food correctly. And
Correct. So
oh, go
I
ahead.
can give like a rudimentary, like a very simple explanation for everyone.
Hmm.
It's really kind of like this, the cold trap your drum,
Hmm.
and you pull very, very low millitor, and then it starts heating. Well, it off gases to the cold trap too fast.
Hmm.
And what happens is you have a spike in the vapor pressure. So your mTOR goes up. And then as it goes up, if it goes up too high, the cold trap cannot collect the ice fast enough.
Yep.
So what happens is the moisture starts going back towards the food. So if it reaches back to the food on the shelves, it actually pushes the moisture back into the item as water.
Hmm.
So you start basically melting and vaporizing water off of the food instead of ice.
Exactly.
So these simple tabletop machines, what you're really doing in essence, you are going under the limit, then over the limit and vaporizing, then back under the limit and then over the limit and vaporizing. So the whole time you're trying to follow this nice sublimation curve, you're bouncing like this
Hmm.
all the way up the curve. But
Hmm.
if you can control a specific millitor and follow that curve smoothly, you can see pretty simply that the amount of time. So if you have to go up and down all these times, that path becomes longer.